Hello.
Hi, you're just too fast. Oh my gosh.
I actually just parked. So I am just taking the little one out. You just want to talk to Johan, right?
Yep.
Or do you want to talk to Vian also? He can also talk. So
Well, for the older one, I know what we decided. For the young, older one, oh yeah, algebra one, geometry. You wanted to decide between the two, right? Okay. For the younger one, grade five, he's going to CBE. He's trying to CBE in July, correct?
correct. He is trying CB in July, and we were
Oh, 1 second,
yeah,
One.
yeah.
Oh, you have your number. She's being picked up at 10. Oh, okay. Just ask, is it okay for you to take in my laptop? Huh? Then I'll give it. I'll make sure I finish it. I didn't know. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the younger one is trying for G5 CBE, correct?
Yeah, yeah. And I think as a next step, maybe I don't know. What do you suggest? Like pre-algebra, or do you have some G6? How do you?
For him, so many options are there. We'll talk to him. I'll tell you what works for me. Then you decide.
ठीक है, no problem, no problem. So for Johan, I'm giving the phone to him, so you talk to him.
Sure. Sure. Um, give me-
Johan, say hello, baby.
Hi.
I
So you're doing your algebra by yourself, is what I hear from mother, correct?
hold up. I
One
can't hear you
okay,
anymore.
one second,
'Cause
1 second.
Oh, no worries,
I
no worries.
think,
Take your time,
you
take your
need
time.
to connect.
yeah, I think you can hear now. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, hello.
Give me.
Don't close it entirely.
You're hearing me?
Yes.
Shall we go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. That's not great. 1 second. Let me have a notepad.
Can you hear?
Yes. She's sharing the screen.
Very much. You're seeing my screen, Amma?
Yes.
Okay. So I just want to know, okay? You can just say whether you know or not, okay? You don't have to solve anything, okay? Do you know how to solve such equations? You're given these two, do you know how to find X and Y?
Yeah. So
This is not for you to solve or anything. I'm just asking you whether you know or not.
yeah.
Oh, you know these?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then I have more questions. Okay, wait. Let me get you whatever I want then. You know the equation of lines and all, huh?
Like yeah, for linear equations, y equals mx plus b, right?
Correct.
Yeah, that one. Okay. Yeah.
You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then let me go ahead and ask you. Wait. Hmm. Okay, what I want to know is, see, I am not very, I've not done much. You've attended RSM, right?
What?
You have attended RSM, right?
No.
Okay. 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 Let's go ahead and see. Okay. How about this? This one is very easy. I don't want you to do that. How about this? I don't want easy ones. Let's see this one. You know how to solve this, right? This is an easy one for you. Let me give you one by one, then you can let me know, okay?
Okay.
Here. How about this? You're seeing my screen, right, Ma? You'll be able to solve for R?
Yeah.
Okay. Try that for me.
It would be 3r minus 15 is equal to 24. So, and
Uh-huh.
then if you
Mm-hmm.
add 15, yeah. So do I do the next one now?
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, yeah, you can go with the next one. I'm not bothered about the answer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's the way you solve. Go ahead.
For
Uh,
the
yeah.
second one, yeah, I know. I think I just need like a. Do I need to like solve it or something?
What would you do? Just tell me. I know.
Oh,
Hmm.
so instead of doing y over 2, I do like 1/2 multiplied by y, and then for, and then I'd combine like terms, negative
Okay.
y 1/2.
Very nice. How about this? What would you do here?
Um, Over here, I think I would multiply each side by 15.
Mm.
So the denominators go away.
Oh, good job. Very nice. Okay. So you know that. Okay, that's good to know.
Hmm.
So you're good with linear equation solving, is it?
Yeah.
And you're studying by yourself algebra, huh?
Yeah.
I see. That's nice. Okay. Yeah, mom told me a little about you, but yeah. So about this, mm, yeah, this might be hard on you. Okay, you think you can say this one? I know this might be a little hard on you. That's okay. Try. What will you do here? Don't worry about don't worry about this. Don't worry about the end there. That's not an end.
Okay, so it's just 3 over 1 minus 2 over z equals
Yep,
3z.
yep, yep.
Okay. So, um, step by step. I think
Mm-hmm.
I would multiply
Mm-hmm.
uh each side by 1 minus 2z, 1 over 2z, 1 minus 2 over z. So 3 is equal to 3z plus 1.
I
No.
like it. I
Yeah, yeah.
really
So
like it.
you would demo uh no, I would. So if you're doing that,
No, no, whatever you said was okay. Multiply both sides by 1 minus 2 by z.
yeah.
That works perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so you're good with linear equations, looks like, right? So
Mhm.
multivariable equation. Okay, let me see. I'll also give you some multivariable equation and expressing it as single fractions. Looks like you know by now. Let's see. Um, okay, do you know how to simplify this? I don't know whether you know exponents, right? So these are things that I've already taught in the algebra class. So do you know this one? Let me erase.
Um, yeah, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
So, basically,
Mm.
oh, hold up, I'm zooming in.
Mhm.
So,
Oh, yeah, yeah, I can make it bigger. Do you want me to make it bigger?
no, no, I got it.
Okay, go ahead.
So, I think first
Mm.
it would be, two multi, yeah, so it would be, you would be dividing negative 2 by negative 8, which would
Mm-hmm.
be negative 1 over 4.
Mm-mm. It will be 1 over 4, okay?
Yeah, one. Oh, yeah, because negative, negative, positive. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
So 1 over 4, and then x cubed divided by x cubed, which is just x.
Mm-hmm.
Or no,
Mm-hmm.
no, it's just
Correct.
x, and then y to the fifth divided by y to the second is y cubed, and
Mm.
z um to the first divided by z to the third would be z negative 2.
Oh, wow. So you know exponents well, huh? Negative exponents. Where did you study negative exponents?
On Academy.
Oh, wow, nice. Okay, good to know. I'm really liking it. Wait, let me see. Okay, that negative exponent I did not expect you to do that. Let's say. But do you know how to express this? You wanted it a little bigger, right? I'll get it for you a little bigger. How about this? Do you know how to
Oh,
do this?
The single fraction.
Uh-huh.
Um. Uh. I think you. I don't think so.
You don't think so? Okay, but it's not hard.
Um.
What in the world I did? 1 minute, wait. 1 minute, wait. Where did it go? Oh my God, I know what I did. Hold on. Mm.
So.
So what is the LCM of these two?
Oh, the LCM would be
Mm-hmm.
x squared. Um.
6x square and 3xy. What
Six
will be the
squared.
LCM?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Go one by one. You already did this. Remember, you already showed me for exponents, right? Numbers by numbers, x's by x's. So what is the LCM of these two? 3 and 6.
3 and 6 would be 6.
6. What is the LCM of x square and x?
It would be x.
Yeah. What is the LCM of y and nothing?
Y.
That's it.
Oh.
But can I ask you this? What is the LCM of x square and x?
X squared and x, it would be um
See, 3 and 6, you said 6, right? So x and x square
x and x squared
is what? This is x times x. So what is the least common multiple? This one.
x multiplied by x squared,
Yep. No. X square is
or
the LCM.
x squared, yeah, x squared.
Yep. 6x
Okay.
square y.
Okay.
Now, so you see 6x square is present. So multiply by y, so that they come to the common denominator. You got it?
Mhm.
Now 3xy is already in here. What is not in here? 2x, correct?
Mhm.
So multiply by 2x up and down. So they come to the common. Now you have a common denominator. Do you see it?
Yeah.
So that's it. This is a simplified single fraction.
Mhm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's not a big deal. Let me see. Hold on. Equation, but I want equations in two variables. Let's quickly see what we can do on that, okay?
Mhm.
I am on unit 5, right? Mm. Yeah, you don't have to do this, okay, Vihan? You are Vihan, right?
Johann.
Johan. Okay, so here. Oh, what did I do? Let's see this one. Do you think you can solve this? You know how to solve this?
Um
You like challenge math, huh?
maybe. I mean, I could probably figure it out if I had time. So, I think I would do the first two start like at the top. I'd start with that. So,
See, I can just use distributive property on the numerator. Did you get
oh,
it?
oh, oh yeah, factoring, yeah.
Yeah, here as well I can take the common out. 4
Mhm.
t square r if I take it, right?
Mhm.
T minus, what is that? 4 t square r, right? Yeah. So see, this and this are negatives of each other. Did you see it? 6 r cube t power of 4. So two fractions you can never divide, right? What do? You can take up one minus as common, express this as 2t minus r. If I'm going fast, you have to let me know.
Yeah.
You got this?
I think that you went a little too fast.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so now, okay, I got it. Do you want me to go over this problem now or can I move on?
You can go over it.
You want me to go over this?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. See, I took 3RT common. Okay. Since I took it as common, from this take out 3RT, what is left over? R, right? I
Yeah.
wrote that down here. Here, you took out 3RT, correct? So 2 remains. R is already taken out. T remains. 2T, I wrote it here. You got it?
Yeah.
Like this, I wrote out the numerators for both. Here, I took out 4T square R as common. Do you see it?
Mhm.
So it gave me this. This gave me R minus 2T. This gave me 2T minus R. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Now they are negations of each other, right? So I took one minus outside, so I expressed this as 2t minus r. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Now the fraction division, I'm turning it into multiplication with the reciprocal. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So now you can cancel these, correct?
Mm-hmm.
R can be cancelled, t with a t square. There is a t in here. You got it?
Yeah.
Now this 6 r square r, here there is a t. This t gets cancelled with this. So you're only left over with 3r. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Easy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm, okay, I just want to see double equations, double variables. That's all. If that is done, we are done. Hold on. Okay. 1 minute, Amma. You think? I don't want to burden you with a hard one, but I just want to see whether, um, yep. Do you know how to solve this? Let's see. This one. Solve for x and y. Do you know?
Mm, yes, I think.
What will you do?
What I would do is I would multiply the bottom equation by 2, so it'd be a 4. The 4x's would cancel out. So it would be negative 7 plus 3y plus 6y because you multiplied that by 2. So it would be negative 13.
Wait. Okay.
Yeah, it would be no, wait, sorry.
You're right. Negative 13y
Yeah,
will be
negative 13y, and then what you would do is it would be and that's okay. So you do that,
uh-huh.
and then it because you multiplied that by 2, it would be negative 10, and then you add.
Yeah, 13 plus 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
So y will be equal to,
Yeah. 20, negative 20.
make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you're going to study algebra 1 this year at school, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is that you want in math? What are you looking at wanting in math?
Nothing much really right now, but like to understand everything,
Mm-hmm.
and I just want to like know algebra so that before so I can it could be easier for me.
At school?
Yeah, at school, and I can learn. I also kind of want to learn more geometry so that I think I'm taking a CBE next year for that. So I
Geometry?
that early.
Okay. See, I do see that you have a very solid foundation in whatever you have done. Okay. Meaning I don't need to know, I don't need you to know everything. Okay. But the basic fraction operations and all, you're so good. Okay. And elimination looks like you know the procedures for that. Maybe you take some time to solve is what I'm seeing, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, which is still okay. Having said that, right, AOPS algebra is a rigorous course. Okay. Along with that, geometry is rigorous. Okay, so you're committing to around 4 hours or 4.5 hours of homework every week in this. You see what I mean? Huh? Summer might work, okay, I'm not saying no. But after that, when the school starts, will it not overload you so much? But,
I mean,
uh,
I think I can handle it.
I
I
see.
believe.
I see. See, the thing is, definitely for you, the AOPS algebra is nice. Okay, you don't need to do the school-based algebra. School-based algebra is going to be very easy if you do this. See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But having said that, right, rather than doing the school-based algebra, this one will be a better fit for you whatsoever. Okay. I can send you the book details and all. You can let me know. See, once you can discuss with your mom. If you have any questions, first you can ask me now.
Um, I don't think I have any right now.
You don't have any right now. Okay. So basically, I want to tell you something. In the Algebra 1 class that's currently going on, right? I've finished till solving for two variables. I have not covered any graphs and all at all. Okay.
Mhm.
So that will be a little new for you. For definitely, yeah, no, everybody is new to those graphing, domain, range, all that. They are completely new. That is going to start only after 2-3 weeks. Okay.
Okay.
Next is ratio proportions. Proper word problems, we'll cover that, and then we'll move on to the graphing pieces and all. Okay. The intent is to complete Algebra 1 by February or March is the target for that class.
Okay.
Okay, coming to geometry, geometry will start in June and will complete by March, enabling those kids that want to CBE to CBE.
Mhm.
Okay, Algebra 1 runs which day of the class I have to see. Geometry runs on Sunday mornings.
Okay.
Having said this, right, feel free to discuss with your mom. Ask me any questions that you have.
Sunday morning, what time?
Okay.
What time on Sunday morning?
Uh, right now, see, I can send the details to your mom if that helps, right? Right now, just for the June 1 class, we are going to have it as at 2 to 3 p.m. After that, it's going to be at 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh, okay.
the only problem is your tennis tournaments.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes we also have
Saturday,
tennis
Sunday,
tournaments on the weekend.
most of the time,
Mm,
actually.
I
yeah.
see. He has tennis tournaments, huh? Mm,
Most
One
of the
second.
times, right?
I see. I see. Okay. I'll send you, okay. I'll send you the details of when what class, okay. The calendar, I'll send it to you. First, see what works and what doesn't work. You can let me know. Okay. Meaning,
Yeah.
yeah. Can I send it to your, yeah,
Yeah, you can send to
calendar?
me on WhatsApp, anything is
Yeah,
okay.
I just sent it to you. Slowly go over everything. But my only problem is geometry. I don't know if I can accommodate in the Friday group. Okay, wow. Meaning I've sent out
Saturday,
the poll yesterday.
the
Okay.
problem is Saturday, Sunday. So it is advanced geometry or normal geometry.
No,
Advanced,
no. Amma, please, for him, you should choose only advanced. There's no meaning.
yeah. So advanced geometry is Friday only, right? 7 to 8 p.m. CST. That
No, my problem is that yesterday I sent out the poll, but I don't know if I can get you into the Friday. I have to check and tell Amma. Okay,
one.
only if I have the comfort level, I will. The problem is, I told you, right? I split the class into two.
Yeah.
I
I remember.
added the second class now. Okay, there are people who have polled. Okay, some kids are moving into Sunday, but is it evenly distributed? I need to check. That is why I offered the Sunday.
Okay.
I
I tell
can
you
check.
very honestly, Sunday, most of the Saturday,
People
Sundays
go.
is out for tournament and
Yeah,
they
yeah.
start
I hear
getting,
you. I
yeah.
I completely hear you. This AOPS class runs from you. He can completely go with the AOPS algebra class. He'll be good, but there will be a learning curve for him. It's not
Yeah.
going to be that easy. The kids will be faster, and that's fine. You see, there are kids that struggle and come out of it very nicely. But
Yeah.
he knows the concepts very well. I don't mind coming him into letting him come into my AOPS algebra one Saturday 7:30 to 8:30 as well.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you
The,
can
the
decide.
Yeah, so no, I think I'm good. The only thing is, I have spoken to him quite in detail, right? After I spoke to you yesterday, he is like, Mama, I definitely want to do geometry because otherwise he will start doing it himself. I mean, it's if not with you, I know he will do it himself. But I was hoping that you can guide him in the right direction. And the problem which was happened with the little one, right? That I did not know all the topics what we wanted to cover,
I
so
get it.
that's something, I can only do as much I research and figure out. So it would be really great if we can find time on Friday. um AOPS algebra 1 7:30 to 8:30, mostly Saturday by 7 o'clock all the tournaments are usually over. So we can definitely fill in for Algebra 1 AOPS on Saturday. Just for geometry,
On the
Sunday,
Friday. I got it. On the Friday. I get it. I hear you.
yeah,
I hear you. Okay. Okay. Well, let's do this. Let me quickly go run through and I will ask a couple of them if they can switch as well. You see, meaning
yeah,
there are some parents who are like, oh, we are with fine with both. Okay. So I can check with those parents too.
yeah.
Can I confirm tomorrow?
हाँ बिल्कुल पक्का, no problem at all on that. Um,
Yeah.
my little one is shouting non-stop. What about me? Okay, stop. So
Uh,
I'm not sure if you have few minutes, you can talk to him.
sure,
If
sure.
you, and you.
One second. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So for him, right, Ma, this is my problem. See, I just updated yesterday after all this. We updated G5 TBD is not running. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
yeah. Now, for your little one is also mathy, yeah?
Oh, he is more.
More mathy.
Yeah.
See. I see. Can I talk to him if it's okay with you now?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I'm glad I don't see your screen. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? You both look alike. It's very difficult for me to. I don't know. I feel like you both look alike. Okay. You are in fifth grade.
Yeah.
Vihana.
Viana.
Vian, correct? Got
Yeah.
it. Okay. Um, you know integers, huh?
Oh yeah.
Okay. How about fraction, multiplication, division, decimal multiplication, division?
I'm good with that.
You're good with that. Okay. Um, okay. What was difficult about the CBE exam?
A lot of I mean,
Problems?
like financial literacy and like there's some yeah, financial literacy questions and some like try like angle questions like yeah, angles like try to how to find some angles if this point is given and this is not like
I hear you. So those were difficult.
yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay, good to know. Um, were you able to attend all the statistics questions?
I don't think there were like that many statistics. Like, I think there were only like one or two, but I think I got them right.
Okay, okay. Okay. So median, mode, range, and all you were
Yeah,
able to.
yeah, I know that. I got
Box
that.
and whisker plot to do study and go.
Wait, what?
Box and whisker plots.
Yeah, yeah, I'm good with that.
I see. Box and whisker you studied by yourself, huh?
Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I did that in Khan Academy.
Oh, in Khan Academy. Very nice. Okay. Good to know. Okay. So did you study about triangle inequality?
Triangle. Wait, what?
Triangle
Triangle.
inequality. See, that's where geometry starts.
I know.
Okay, okay, okay.
I,
No
I
worries. Mhm.
no. I don't think I like. I've never like heard that, but I think there's like I don't know.
Okay, okay. See, no worries. I'm just trying to understand. Okay, let's see. Would you be able to do this effectively? Let's see.
Don't know.
Mm.
Let's.
Okay, let's say I have a 4 meter. What is this? Why twice it's appearing? Is it appearing twice?
No.
It's not appearing. Okay, 4 meter. Are you able to see my board?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to cut it into 3 by 8 length pieces. 3 by 8 length pieces. Okay, I have a 4 meter cloth. Something is not right. I don't know what is not right. Okay, I have a 4 meter cloth. Okay, I'm going to cut the cloth into pieces. Okay, that are of 3 by 8 that are of 3 by 8 meter long. Okay, how many pieces? How many 3 by 8 meter pieces will I get?
Um.
You don't need to tell the answer. Tell the steps.
Yeah,
How?
you can just say what would you do with this?
Um. So because you're cutting a 4-meter cloth into pieces that are
Uh-huh.
3/8 long,
Mm-hmm.
so um you would divide. So it would be 4 divided by 3/8,
Mm-hmm.
divided by 3/8, which you is the same as 4 times 8/3.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. So then it would be 4 it would be 32 over 3.
Good job. I got it. Can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay. How about this? Can you express this ratio as a fraction? Can you express this ratio as a fraction?
Wait as a fraction. Wait, but you already gave me a fraction.
Yes. Can you express it with a nice numerator and a denominator?
Wait, I don't understand. Like, can you tell me again?
Okay. Can you express it as something like this?
So like I divide them both?
Correct. That's it. You divide them both because ratios are just division, right? 1 by 2 divided by 3, 1/4 is what I'm asking you to convert it into a nice fraction. So how will you do 2, 3/2 divide
So
by
I'll do 3/2 divided by
13/4?
13/4. So
Yeah.
that's the same thing as 3/2 divided by 413. I mean times 413.
After this, what will you do?
You could simplify the 4 and 2 as 2
That's
and
nice.
1.
That's nice.
And it would be 16 to 13.
Good job. Okay. 16 to 13. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I think you got it. That's
6 30, yeah.
6/13, correct.
Yeah, 6, not 16.
No problem. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay, now I have three sides of a triangle, 3-inch, 5-inch, 8-inch. Can they form a triangle?
Um yeah, I think so.
Mm,
Because I don't think I've gone over this unit that thoroughly.
okay, I got it. No problem.
Because there's only one lesson on it or
No
something.
problem.
So I
No
don't
problem.
think I like understood it as well.
Not a problem at all. Do you see two triangles or one triangle drawn?
One.
When I do see two triangles, I don't know why. It's interesting. This is my first time I'm seeing this. Okay, but I do see a mirror image as well drawn. I don't know why. Okay, 70. Anyway, so I have this triangle. I don't want this triangle. Okay, how about this? I have this triangle. Okay, I have sides 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch.
Okay.
Which belongs to what? I have marked it as ABC. So AB is what length?
AB is 3 and AB is 3 and 4, or no, 3.
Okay. BC is?
4.
How do you
um,
know? Why did you assign like that? Meaning, is there any reason that you assigned 3, 4, or just like that erratically you said?
um I don't
Looks like you erratically said. But you know what? This is the largest angle, right? What is the
oh
largest
yeah.
measure? This lies opposite to that. So this is 5.
Okay.
Am I making sense or not?
Well, I don't know. I don't understand like how do you get the side lengths from the
No,
number?
no, no. See. I am giving you that the sides are of those lengths, right? So the largest side is opposite to the highest measured angle.
Okay.
Meaning, see,
Oh
the largest measure of these three angles in the triangle is 80 degrees, right? The
yeah.
side opposite to that has the longest measure.
Yeah, I can't see the 80 or the 60 that well because it's like blurred up with a lot of like color. But
How about this? Is it clear now?
oh, but yeah, you can zoom.
Okay. So now I gave you 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 comes here directly opposite to the highest angle. You got it? And the
Yeah,
lowest is 40, lowest is 3. So 3 comes on the opposite side. Did you get that?
yeah,
Okay, cool. Okay. Now coming to box and whisker plots, right?
yeah.
Suppose I have this in here. Is this box and whisker plot skewed or skewed? What skewed is? Let's see
Um,
this. Hmm?
it's what do you call it? It's right skewed
Why? Why it is right skewed?
because the median is toward the left of the box and whisker.
Okay, where is okay? So good. So this is the median. Okay, you know what is IQR?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's the first. It's it's what do you call it? Like in the rain, like in the box and whisker. It's right side. I forgot. Like the right side minus the left side.
Correct. Q3 minus Q1. You got
Yeah,
it?
Q3 minus Q1.
Okay, good. So did you prepare separately for this? Where did you learn all this?
Khan Academy.
Nice. Okay, good. So financial literacy, you did not know you, so I'm not going to ask you anything there.
Yeah,
But how good? Okay.
because in the financial literacy part, all of the questions were related to credit score, and Khan Academy didn't do like any topics on credit score.
Oh my gosh. Okay. 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 I do see. I do hear you. Okay. So now let me know minus x plus 3 is greater than 0. This is the given question. Okay.
Okay.
Do you know how to draw it on the number line?
Um, so don't have to.
What am I?
I have to solve it first.
Minus x. I am writing it for you. Don't worry. I know you don't have a pencil. Go ahead.
Yeah. So it would be -3 from both sides. So it would be a negative x is greater than -3. So then you could so then it'll be you could divide both sides by -x. I mean like -1 or not -x. So then it would be x is less than 3. So then you would open the box on 3. You would open the circle, yeah, and you would draw a line going to the left of it.
Okay, great. If I may ask, right, what did you get on CBE?
Wait, what?
How much did you get on CBA? Sorry, Mama. Your mom might have told me, but I forgot honestly. So, do you remember how much did you get on CBE?
I think it was like a 70 or 71 or so. Yeah, 70.
Okay, okay, interesting. Okay, okay, I got it. Okay, okay. So let me. This is the last question. Okay, so tell me how about this? Do you see a graph, right? You see a graph,
Yeah.
right? Is this additive relationship or multiplicative?
Yeah.
relationship? Is
It's multiplicative.
why?
What? Because
Why
it's
is
the line is going through the line is going through the origin.
okay, great. Okay. So what is your plan? Okay, with you, right? Yes, ma. If you have done this through the year or whatever, right? CB would have been easier. Looks like you are meaning there are some pieces that you have not done, I feel okay. But honestly, there is no class for me to cover for you for the CBE. Okay, you seem to be very
Okay.
good with the basics, 100%. Okay, but can I talk to your mom again? Is there any questions for me from you? From you, do you have any questions
Oh.
before handing it over to your mom?
So like in Khan Academy, like when I'm like doing like 6th grade math, like what do you like recommend me to do?
See, did you complete the full thing?
Yeah, I completed it. So I'm gonna try doing it again by watching every video and article.
And then complete the exercises. That should get you through.
Oh yeah, I did.
You did? Yeah, you did already. Then why did you not cover financial literacy? Geometry would also have been there, right? Finding angles.
No, I did.
Huh.
I just think that the questions that came, Khan Academy like didn't like tell any like
Oh, you think
information
so?
about it because about credit score and like this angle thing,
It
they
wasn't there?
they didn't tell it like a bit, like they only covered like less, like only one video or like one lesson on it. That's it, because there are more questions that could have been like in a lesson, but it wasn't.
Okay, see, that's the problem. I don't know of any particular book that will cover all your standards. See, okay. 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 In your case, right? Okay, you give it to your mom. If you don't have any questions, give it to your mom. Otherwise, ask all your questions.
Yeah, hi, Priya.
Yeah, I completely agree with what you say. Okay, both your boys are mathy. Okay, basics. Okay, this boy will also pass, but the only thing is he needs a little more prep on
Yeah,
some of the topics clearly. Okay, geometry is something he's really lagging.
yeah. I'll work on that. We are actually working every day on this. So he actually didn't tell me about geometry. I now when he's talking to you, he's
Little
speaking.
geometry, usually they ask a lot of questions on angles.
Okay, I'll work on geometry with him for sure, and I will also work on financial literacy and statistics. I'll work on these three things.
For statistics also, I'm not comfortable where we are, but he'll manage. He'll manage maybe some of the questions for sure.
Okay.
Okay, but it's basic. See, there are four factors, right? Number sense is very good. Number and operations are very good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, geometry he needs help. Statistics he needs help. Financial
Yeah.
literacy he needs help.
Yeah.
There is one more. Algebraic relationships is very good.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Okay, yeah, and he knows. I did not give him word problems and I did not ask him to put the inequality for it, but I think he'll be able to manage those questions, is what honestly feel. Okay,
Okay.
with all this said and done, right? He can definitely get into the AOPS pre-algebra group.
Okay. Great. Great.
Okay, Anna, that's not going to be teaching your CBE curriculum.
Yeah, I
You see,
understand.
and
Yeah.
it will not overlap with the school. Both for both your boys, if you're taking algebra, it will not overlap with your school algebra or school pre-algebra. Okay, but it will lay the foundations very well.
See, but my focus, Priya, to be honest, is having the best of foundation because when they get into high school, right, I don't want them to be juggling on the basic things. That's what I'm looking for because kids these days, they want to run very fast. But if they don't know how to balance themselves properly, right, how will they run? That's my only intent of reaching out to you, that we can, I can also work with them, but kids, they don't listen to the parents that well, right? They can listen to the
That's something.
teachers, right? So, and so I was hoping if you can please accommodate them somewhere and help them reach where they want to be,
Illa,
right?
both your boys are very good. Anna, only thing that makes me feel guilty, let me see, okay, after they come in, right? The boy that is writing the CB, if we can make him pass, it's an achievement for both of us, I feel.
Yeah.
But
I'll
he
do
can
my
like it
best
fast.
with him.
I will also help you, I feel, but I don't want to commit, Divya. You see, okay, when I commit, then I go crazy with, oh, I did not do it. That sort of a guilt
Oh,
kills me. So you come, let's see what best I can, I will do for him. I'll work with you because I feel like you can get him through. He got a 70, yeah.
yeah, he got 70. I don't remember 70 tha na, but it was somewhere in 70s for
70.
sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
but yeah, he can get through if he prepares, I feel.
Yeah. So I think last time when he did it in spring, right? I think my lack of collaboration with him,
I
I
see.
trusted him more. I'm like, okay, you try it out and figure it out कि कितना कर सकते हैं and all. हम लोग we let it loose. But when he didn't pass through and I saw the impact on him, he was like really devastated. He was, not expecting that. So
Yeah.
now when summer break has started, I've started working with him, and I whatever he could remember, right, I'm working with him on all those topics. But my only thing is that lack of resources, right? I went to the library, figured out what all books we have, but they're not too much here. I don't know, I'm not getting too many resources. What we have is Khan Academy, and I got the books for Beast Academy, so I'm doing that. But
Uh, Beast
if
Academy will lay the foundation, like our class, right? AOPS pre-algebra is going to come. Like our pre-algebra class, it will lay the foundation, but it will not help him prepare for CBE.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
the way it works is, see, even for the G5 Beast class, right? Usually I start 1 year in advance, right? We go through the Beast Academy books from June to November. Okay, after that I switch to sixth grade curriculum. Then
Okay.
only the kids will pass.
Mm.
Okay, yeah.
Mm.
So it's okay. See, I'll also help you. Let's see, because he seems math and he knows what he's doing. So let's see what we can do. Anna,
ठीक है
please, I am not going to take into the class that works towards CBE, but he's
हाँ
more than welcome that I don't know whether I told you. I'm going to meet with three boys. Did I tell you? Three boys.
uh,
Okay. Okay, maybe with another parent. I don't know whether I told you. There are three boys who I want to. There are three boys who are attempting, meaning March they did not pass and they are going to try July.
okay, yeah, I think, yeah, you told
I
me
told
about
you,
this.
right? Yeah, two of
Yeah.
them came to me in between. Okay, I expect the
Mm,
two boys to pass. Okay, the
okay.
other one I don't know. The mom is just trying. We are all in sync with that. Okay, before the exam itself, we know, and again they are going to just try. For the three boys, definitely the three, right? So I am going to invite them on Fridays whenever I can because I'm off on Friday afternoons for the whole summer.
Okay.
So at that time, I'll definitely invite him. I'll help you with whatever you need, but I'm not going to run the class. Weekly,
No problem.
let
No.
us not put myself into a structure like, hey, I'll have to bind to this. But I will
Mm.
invite them whenever possible. We'll
If you can give me some of the resources, as in what
whatever
all,
I
from where I can actually teach him the topics, the top, those things,
I'll
and
share
where I
that.
get the information that I can definitely sit with him. We actually sit every day for at least 2 to 3 hours, and then he works whatever he can. He's free to do it through Khan Academy or
He'll
Sam.
pass. I will help you because I can see. I'll provide you mock tests and all.
Okay, cool. Thank you so
But
much.
I will let him not come for a class or anything. Okay, the Fridays I will let you know whenever we meet.
ठीक है यार.
Okay.
So what next I need to do? Do I need to fill that registration form
Yeah,
for both of
yeah.
them
For both,
separately?
you put it in Friday class itself for the geometry. I have to request one or two others. There will be parents who will be okay with the change. I will have to see who will be okay with the change. Okay, yesterday I created a poll and sent out to them. Everybody responded, but now I have to group them into two different groups, right? That the job is pending, and I clearly saw Friday was overpopulated. Okay, but let me see what to do with it.
ठीक है. So I need to fill two forms, one for Johan and one for Vian, right?
Correct, correct.
Okay, I'll fill two forms, and in Johan's form, I'll fill AOPS Algebra 1 and Geometry for Friday.
But you know the books to buy, all that will come one day before the class. Don't worry, I will not force them to buy the books immediately.
I don't know the books. You have to tell me all that. I don't know nothing about books and all.
And extra, I want them to work online with free resources. I will show them in the class. They will have to work weekly. In the sense, suppose we teach, let's say we cover two variable two equations, right? There will be harder problems for them to work with. This will not align with school, but it will be really useful when meaning at the end of it, at 2 3 years after, the foundation will be very strong.
Yeah.
Okay,
They
it
will
may
do.
not be like matchy. Hey, next week they're discussing slopes. Am I discussing slopes? No, that's not going to be the case.
No worries. Yeah, no
There's a
worries.
different class for it, and yeah, I think your boys can try this one. Let them take the essence of math rather than just going with school math, is my thought with them.
Yeah. See, what I realized that they every day I ask them what you did in school. I feel them they're actually getting bored, because his maths teacher, she actually gave a comment. She called me and told me that she is giving him extra, the next level problems. Just two kids in his class, he and one more friend of his. The other kid got into that CBE thing. So these two
He
kids,
will get in. I think you only did not know what to teach, I feel.
yeah,
But
my bad for sure, but we'll work
you have
hard on.
time, right? June and July you have, right? Let's
Yeah,
see.
we have time. We have time. We have June, entire June.
And 90% kids that appear in July can get through. But
Yeah.
dedicated, they're there, they'll get through.
Yeah, we'll try our best. Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll share everything I'll do after this session starts, right? At the end of the class, if I miss something, just ask and we will push it
Sure.
together. Get it
So
now?
I'll fill the forms. You tell me the books and all which I need to buy. And for Vian, if you can send me the resources and everything what we can do for the CBE thing, I think we will be good to start. And Johan can continue doing his Khan Academy and whatever he is doing, right? For Algebra 1.
Mhm. No, no, I'll go with HMH books. I'll send, meaning I want a particular ISBN number. Don't buy any book, but look at you know about the ISBN number of a book, right? There is something called ISBN number of every book, okay? So when I
Is it
share
on
the link,
side?
what is that?
What is that?
Is on the side of
Yeah,
like
correct.
the
On the side, yes.
yeah.
So that number has to match. So I will send you the link. Just don't go by the picture. Oh, the picture is the same. Then my answer key won't work with you.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
See, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He's going to go with AOPS algebra, right? That's a separate book. It comes with solutions as well. You can buy both.
Okay, okay.
Only
So
thing is the online free thing that they can work by themselves, which I will check every week. They have to screen share and show me what percentage they are in, right? That I will tell you in class.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Okay. Any questions for me?
So for you, I mean, how do I need to pay the fee and all of
Um,
that? So
yeah, we'll see. First, see, you're completely new to me, right? Just I'll send the registration link that tells me numbers, right? That alone you fill now.
okay, okay, sure.
Okay.
You send me whatever I need to fill. The form which you sent me last night, do I need to fill that or should I
Did
send?
I send down? I don't remember.
You sent me something yesterday.
Okay. I sent you something yesterday. Yeah, I did. One minute, I'm checking. Yeah, that's the same thing. Yeah. I
Same link.
updated it after I went through all the rosters. Yeah. So that's the form you need to fill in.
Okay, if there is an updated form, you send me that form. I will fill it for
Yeah.
both Johan and Priya.
Same. The updates will happen in the form dynamically. So it's
Okay.
updated. Okay. Yeah. Any questions for now on anything else or anytime when you have, just ping me.
Sure, sure. No, I really want to thank you, Priya, for accommodating us on the very last minute. But the moment I got your number, I pinged you immediately because my kids are like,
Same
I
happy.
see that they crave for more knowledge. I feel so helpless, because I can tell you if you ask me a question, I can tell you how to solve it, but I don't know the questions. I don't have a list of questions. I don't have all the, I don't know. I feel helpless on that. So I
I'll help.
thought,
He can pass. Okay. Let's take it as a target.
yeah. He is very, both of them are very enthusiastic about challenges, right? That Johan also took AMC and he prepared little bit, and I think he scored 15 out of 25ish. I'm not sure of the exact score, maybe 13, 14, 15, something he got. But and then after that I saw AMC 8 problems. It's pretty hard. It's not that easy. It is very hard.
Easy.
Yeah, very
It
hard.
is. Yeah. But they have fundamentals, okay? If they want to, they can do.
Yeah. Correct. And plus, in high school, kids these days are taking all AP courses, right? I mean, I'm overwhelmed with the information we have here in schools. I'm like, oh my God, what is happening here? So it's little, maybe now I've started taking more interest in what goes in schools. Up until now, I was too relaxed, I guess. Yeah,
He's in seventh grade. He's going into
eighth grade.
eighth
Eighth.
grade. Yeah, you need to.
Yeah, yeah. How old are your girls?
Mine is a senior, becoming a senior this year. The other one is in third grade.
Oh wow, because I saw that your DP, it is
Yeah.
so cute, it is so pretty. I'm like, oh my God, it is so nice. I love it. I do all of those stuff with my
So my older one is becoming a senior this year. We moved for her. I don't know whether I told you. I am not in Frisco, right? So we moved here. We want to come back next year.
You are not in Texas right now?
Mhm.
Oh, where are you now?
She came to study at Phillips Exeter,
Oh, so where is this?
New Hampshire.
Oh my God, amazing, right?
Yeah, and the kids, whoever the group, right? They all said we'll continue, and we just keep moving
It
on.
is because of maths. Because she will be in some specific school doing something.
She's into math and neuroscience.
Oh my God, wow.
She qualified for USA JMO in 10th, but 11th she did not do much of math because she had her bio Olympiad coincide with her AIME, so she could not take AIME. But she won the Brain B, US Brain B. She won. She represented US, so that was good for her for 11th. But see, again, we don't know, right? The college admissions are a different cadre, right?
Yeah. We are researching a lot about the college admissions, and I think we have to start working now itself
Hmm.
for all of that stuff. So it's good. So it's lovely. She's doing
The
maths,
competition is again,
maths.
see, math and neuroscience bio major.
Yeah. So Johan is trying. Actually, he did not do the EA for science, but we are actually thinking to do it from outside. We can pay $80 or something, and then do the CPE so that he can take biology in eighth grade. We'll have to drop him specifically to the high school and stuff just for biology, but he really wants to do it. He's getting interested in that. He's learning all
He's
by
going into
himself.
eighth grade, right?
Yeah, he's going in eighth grade, but biology is only starting ninth grade. But you can do an EA accelerated learning on science for eighth grade. You can skip it and take bio in eighth grade, it seems.
It's
So
good. So you're
yeah,
in Frisco, huh?
we are actually in McKinney, but go to Frisco ISD.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Nice. Yeah, that you can do. Frisco, I know of kids whom, meaning personally, I push some of the math kids to do science. They do. Yeah, they do the EA.
yeah. I mean, I don't know what's the rush, but then everybody is going crazy here, it seems. Yeah,
Um, the
I
average curriculum is very low here.
Yeah, maybe that's why, because he's like, Mama, eighth grade science is too easy. It is so boring. They are not feeling enough challenged in school, and that's when they are like, I can do more, which is I think really good that they want to. They have that, they hunger to learn more. So which is a great thing.
Yeah. And EA science is a good deal only. Bio, if he's interested, yes, he should.
Yeah. He
And
is
it's
very.
easy to EA.
Oh, is it? Is it easy? Okay. Okay.
It's
So
easy.
you work 9 to 5 remote. You have remote, is it?
Mhm. Yes, I work from home. That's why we were able to move.
Sorry. Somebody called. What were you saying?
That's why we moved. That's why we were able to move. Both of us work remotely.
Okay. So you IT job, is it? Both of you have IT job. How do you
Available.
manage, yaar, all these tuitions and kids and oh my God, yes, I adore
I
that.
love this. I like this.
Very
Like,
inspiring.
oh, but I like this. See, once you like something, it's easy to
Yeah, I know, but
keep
still, yeah,
doing
you
it.
take out time, cooking, cleaning, home, kids,
Yes.
office. Oh
My
my.
younger one, I homeschool her. She is homeschooled. So
Oh, wow.
because because elementary schools are not so great in here.
Okay, got it.
I'm just waiting for one more year to pass through so that I can put her to school back.
Okay, great.
Yep.
So I hope that you guys come back soon after your kiddo is done with the high school.
No, Ria, yeah. This year
Yeah,
she's a senior.
yeah. She has given her SAT and stuff.
ACT. ACT is done. She has a
SAT.
full score. See, that and all our kids will get easily.
Yeah.
Only,
They just need to. I feel that there should be some discipline, right? When you do it, it should. And girls they are amazing. I mean, in discipline, they are amazing. And having a mother like you, they are blessed.
no.
Oh
P,
no, yeah, for
PSAT also, it's important that the boys get nicely. PSAT, NMSQT.
यार मुझे
Getting
कुछ पता नहीं है यार I need to talk to you more. I have no idea about all of this. बाप रे.
that, I think it's important too.
What is that? PSAT you said.
Preliminary SAT.
So when do kids give that?
Usually in 11th, but several take it in 10th.
Oh, okay. So preliminary SAT is not SAT. You still have to give SAT.
Either you have to give SAT or ACT.
ACT. Okay.
ACT has science component to it.
Okay. So kids
See,
who are interested in medical may give ACT. I think
Allah,
in
Allah, not really. Kids who want to do tough, the ACT is more math concentrated. SAT is more English concentrated.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so she's not a person who takes English as easy as math. You see what I mean? So he went
Yeah.
with ACT.
Okay, got it. Got it.
SAT, people who are going to major in English and all, it's better to take SAT.
SAT. Acha. Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah,
Yes.
because I've heard that there are two exams, SAT and ACT, but I did not know who gives what. I heard ACT is tougher. So
Oh,
kids
really?
would give ACT more.
Oh, yeah, ACT, why it's tougher? It'll be a math kid that says ACT is tougher. Okay. I mean, if you ask my daughter, right, she says, oh my God, don't ask me to take SAT. Because we took both in seventh grade.
Seventh grade. Oh
We took,
my God.
we'll know, right? Where are you and what you need to do now?
Yeah,
So
Actually, I got these SAT books for him to do some sample mock test. I got it, but he's like, okay, I'll do it. He hasn't started. I think he did it few, but he's just doing on and off. I'm like, okay, let me focus on
no.
Vian.
But if you do before eighth grade, college board will shred your scores.
Oh, that okay. Good to know. I
It's
did
a
not
loophole.
know. Okay, so I think it's okay. You can still give it, right? It will be shredded, right? So you will have a
That's why we gave. Mm.
uh,
So
that-
you know where you are placing. So which one are you comfortable with? She
and
decided to
which
take SAT.
topics, yeah, and which topics, you are struggling with, where you need to focus more and all that. Yeah, it's a lot, yeah, it's a lot. But I think the structure here is pretty good if we get a hold of it.
Hang of it, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Lovely
Bye bye.
meeting you. Thank you so much. Take care.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Have a nice evening, Divya. Bye.